We just got back from the shop, man. I'm satisfied, no cap. I doubted their ass. I thought they weren't gonna have shit done, but
shit look too loud.
He said either it's done today, and if not today, he'll give me a call tomorrow to go pick it up.
That shit look darn loud, like it was worth the wait. What'd you think?
I spoke too fast. He said exactly in 2 weeks, and right now it's 2 weeks, so.
Yeah, Saturday.
But anyways, right now we're finna go watch this shit, cause it's dusty as fuck.
That whole dusty G. White truck.
We probably go to the dealership with my boy E-Frame hooking us up.
My boy, damn fuck it. It's gonna rain anyway.
Alright, so we catch you when we on the way. This is egg laying. What you doing, G? You working trees?
Yeah. Never been in front of a camera.
That's how you creeping up on me.
Say something to the camera.
Shit, what's up, camera? My first time on camera.
You got a new vape?
Nah, yeah, I just got it.
Yeah.
Man, what's up, camera?
No more sticks.
Let me see
Take
this
that.
shit. Oh, shit.
Introduce yourself, G.
Oh, yeah, my name's Efren.
Ugly. What?
Damn.
That motherfucker.
Yeah.
What is this shit? Oh, hell no. Dirty ass shit. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Floor detailing coming soon.
Floor is detailing. I heard it. Man.
You want Discovery, bro? Or you got it?
We're gonna see what E-Frame got.
Different detailing. Hey, look at this.
Cause everybody go to Cruise Chemicals, ain't it?
Exclusive shit.
Exclusive. Yeah?
Exclusive shit.
Guys, I just got my truck back a couple days ago. I think it looks great. I'm gonna show y'all and let me know what y'all think. So here's the front end, HD front end. I came to the car wash to give it a little wash because it was dirty in the shop. Haven't washed it since I got it back, so here I go. All that dirt. HD here with the Camaro scoop. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Just wanted to update y'all on the truck. Finally got it back. Let me know, comment down below what I should do next.